Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can register or enroll into an online bank account of Halifax. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to register or enroll into an online bank account, first thing you need to make sure that you already have a pre-existing bank account. Only then you'll be able to register into an online banking. First of all, you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in the link that will be www.halifax.co.uk, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on the description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and in the top right corner you'll be able to see a list of options, and right in the corner you'll be able to see an option as register and sign in. If you already have an online banking account, then all you need to do is click on sign in and enter your sign in credential in order to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on register. As you click on register, you'll be directed to the registration or enrollment page. Now right on this page, make sure to go through all of these information before you proceed on with the enrollment. And you can see in the left hand side bar, you'll be able to see an option as title. First thing, you need to provide a title in order to enroll into your online banking account of Halifax, and then your first name, last name, your date of birth, and a UK postcode. In case you are not a resident of UK, then you can simply click on I don't live in UK and you'll have some alternative. As already mentioned, if you don't have a pre-existing bank account, then you'll not be able to register into an online bank account. The provided information is all related with your bank account or that is linked with your bank account. Once you're done with this procedure, click on continue in the right hand side, and on the second interface you need to enter in your sign-in details. Sign-in detail basically means creating user ID and a password for your sign-in credential. You might be asked to type in twice in order to confirm it, and once you're done, next interface you need to confirm your contact information. So a verification code or a verification link will be sent through an SMS or an email. You need to type in or you need to click on the link, and then you've verified your account. And that is how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Halifax. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.